Hello trumpet friends! So today we're going to work on that last little bit from 28 to the end of The Incredibles. It's a lot of repeated figures, nothing too complicated. Your first half of the piece is significantly more difficult than the second half. Your only struggles here will probably be range, right? The top E flat there is not an easy note to hit consistently. But other than that, it's not actually that difficult compared to the beginning. Again, I will be doing a joint video of Trumpet 1 and Trumpet 2. Rhythmically, your parts are very similar. Honestly, melodically, your parts are very similar too, if not the exact same. They are the exact same. Update. So, I'll flip back and forth just to make sure along the way, but it looks like both trumpet parts are the exact same for now. So, we're going to start by warming up our D harmonic minor scale. Give me a concert B flat first, make sure you're in tune. There we go. Then give me a concert C. Great. So we're going to play a C harmonic scale, minor scale, which means raising that second to last note, right? That C sharp for us before you hit that high D. And we're going to do it instead of long tones this week with a tonguing exercise. So we're going to go ta 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 ta. That's 1 E, a 2 E, and a 3. 1 E, a 2 E, and a 3. So we're doing 16th note divisions now. All right, so it's going to sound like nice and crisply tongued, but I'm going to put a metronome on at 70 beats per minute for that. Actually, let's do it a little bit faster. Let's do 80. So, ta 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 ta. There's a space for you to breathe at the end of each note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. There it is. Now you can do that up and down, but I would like you to pause the video, go back and do that a couple times. Also do your long tone warm up from last time. That's the 8 beats of long tone, 4 beats of rest. And now let's hop into our piece. So speaking from measure 28 onwards, it's a lot of counting. So we'll do it once under tempo and once with the recording, just so that you can experience that. Let's do it at under tempo, 90 beats per minute. Fingerings. Taking a look at things that are automatically going to be like, oh, I forget the fingering for this. Your E flat is just your middle finger on the second valve. Your C sharp is 1 and 2. Your E flat is 2 and 3. And your A flat is also 2 and 3. So there are your abnormal, non-diatonic fingerings. I'm going to count my rests along the way, starting at 28. 1, 2, ready, go. Sorry. There's our note. Okay, starting at 28 again. 1, 2, 28. One, 2, 3, 34. 9. And that last note is a fermata, so that's going to hold out as long as I say as the conductor, we're going to hold that out. Now, let's pull up the piece on the YouTube. And we're going to find where it cuts there. Okay, so right where it cuts there, that is just so you're practicing with the recording. That is 48 seconds in where it starts at 28. Okay, so let's start at 45 and I'll count us in at 28. We will play to the end. Make sure you're observing the dynamics, the articulations, just like we were last week. I'm just not going to take enough time to talk through them today. 2, 3, 4. 34. 49. There it is. Also, don't be afraid on that last note to throw a little bit of vibrato stank on it. A little bit of fun. As long as only one of us does it at the same time, it works. So, there is the rest of the piece. Measures 28 through the end. I want you to focus on playing that. I would like you to work on playing it at 90 beats per minute to make sure you're holding out those long notes. But that tempo at the end there is about 148 beats per minute. Feel free to practice with the recording. I do warn you, it will be fast. If you have any questions, you know how to get to me. Send me an email. But this, at 90 beats per minute with a metronome, starting from 28 to the end, is what I expect in the assignment. Happy practicing.